In life, everything you do comes from a mindset. Some choose to be negative and some choose to be positive. But as for me, my name is Carl, and I choose to tell myself that I am on it. This series began when I decided to take a massive risk and buy a fully crashed, damaged car.
3, 2, 1. Sold on a officially won the car, people. All my days.
Now, upon winning the bid, I had second thoughts. I thought this was probably one of the biggest mistakes I made in my life. This, people, was far from one of them. 2023 and 2024, people, were probably one of the most challenging years I had in my entire life. I lost so much money, and I was praying that this car didn't end up being another loss on top. Over 5 figures, people, of how much I've spent in madness. There's so many things. I wish I could tell you guys what it was, but honestly I cannot tell you until the time comes. But it was probably one of the craziest things, and that is what I was reflecting when I bought this car. I was like, Kai, this must have been a massive mistake. The way this car looks, people, how it looked when I first got it, is the way I was feeling deep down inside. Honest to God, people, you've not seen the tears. People don't see the tears, the pain, or the problems that people go through behind the scenes of things. So that's why I always say, don't ever judge the cover.
Don't judge the cover.
But yes, people, I can relate fully well with this car, because that is literally how I felt. Like, literally felt like I was just written off in life. Just so many mistakes upon mistakes upon mistakes and problems. But you know what? God is good. I thank God for restoration. I thank God for His help. And I thank God for sending the right people at the right time with everything I need to be able to level up and get to the next stage of my life. And honestly, I thank God that this car is officially now, I can say, my own mouth is officially complete.
Freedom! Freedom!
And just to be 100% sure with the car, I took the car directly to BMW, and they themselves have officially approved the repairs. Now that all the repairs have been complete, this video now is going to show the final upgrades I'm going to do to get this car to 100% completion.
People, look what has arrived. Oh my days, look at these lights. They look absolutely amazing. These are OLEDs as well. Absolutely beautiful LED lights. Once I remove this whole film, you'll see. So let's get that changed. So this is how it looks at the moment. These lights look beautiful, to be honest. The standard 1 Series lights are very, very nice looking. However, I want that blacked out look, just like how I had it in my E88 when I tinted them. But these ones are going to be completely changing. There's another thing as well I've noticed, is that the lights are actually, when you lock the car and unlock it, you don't even see the indicators much. So you can see that side is working. This side is starting to get, it's a common fault for the 1 Series. So obviously this upgrade will now resolve that fault, and then the lights will be working perfectly. So let's get that changed. So first of all, there's a few tabs here. There's one here, and that is I think it's an 8mm bolt, and there's another one here as well. You gotta move, so make sure you get a pry tool, to pry that out. Leave link in the description of how to get that, and bolt them, and then you need to shift this out from there and then reconnect the wires. So let's get on with that.
First of all, I'm going to start by removing the caps and then unbolting the bolts inside in order to remove the headlight, and then I need to disconnect all the wires as well to remove it completely. The good thing about this stuff, the good thing is, people, it comes with different adapters, so that way it would actually fit in properly with the original connector. So obviously this is the left side and this is the right side, so you can convert your old, if you have the pre-facelift one, convert that to this. So I don't need this because it already comes with the protector for the LCI one, so it should just be a plug and play. see if this works. Ooh, see that, people? Right, let's connect it all back up. Let's put it all in and then we'll see the final result.
Look at that, people. Absolutely gorgeous.
Make sure, people, you detach the shroud. This is the weather strip that covers that area so that water doesn't get in. So remove this, always make sure to remove this first. So you basically can just pull it out from the sides and they'll pry themselves out. Yeah, just remove that and then you'll be good to go, like that. Be careful as well not to damage it too whilst you're at it.
Today, people, we're going to be sorting out new speakers. Look what I bought. I've got brand new Harman Kardon speakers. They'll be going in there and there. So the tweeters, and then placing this, which is nothing, into that. So let's get the job done. Also door speakers as well that will be going in here. They'll be replacing these ones. They sound so bad. It sounds worse than the 1 Series. The 1 Series had better sound quality than here, but this one is not good. So if you have an F20 that doesn't have the hi-fi or Harman Kardon, go and get this system. This is the best upgrade you can do for your BMW, so go get it done. So people, that is the old speaker and this is going to be the new one, so you can already see the difference between the two. It has a different centerpiece there, and yeah, these are the official Harman Kardon speakers. So let's get it fitted. So that's out of the old, that's the part number right there. And that is in with the new, that's the part number right there. That's the Harman Kardon part number. Let's get it. And I think the difference is that this one has 2 ports. See that? Whereas this one only has 1 port. So that's for that blue piece there. And the new one is going to be for the additional, this piece here with the HK Harman Kardon speaker. So let's get that fitted. So this one slots into that place there, and then I'm just going to bolt it in, and then there's 2 clips at the back. So I'm going to clip it out, I'm going to put my camera down and carry on from there. Let's go. So that is now bolted in. Next, we're just gonna have to put this bit into there, and that is job done. New speakers installed, time to test it out if it works. And it's gonna be the same for this side as well, so let's get the job done. New speaker fitted in. Next is to fit the Harman Kardon in and get it connected. Let's get it done. And there we have it, people. New speaker fitted. Time to put it all back together and job done. I'm driving my car. Cheers. Still enjoying it. Convoy, people. It's, ooh, I love hearing that sound of the car, man. It sounds so nice. Kai says, people, open that roof up, man. What's going on? Open that roof up, man. Kai, this life, man. You have to enjoy life, people, man. In this life, you have to enjoy it. Oh my days! I've never seen someone drive my car before. It's nice to actually see my mom drive my car for once. Big shout out to MTC Midlands. Those guys are absolute G's. Absolutely amazing people. Amazing service. Just amazing. Sorted out this Land Rover Discovery Sport, and it's just absolutely mint. Driving it now, the car is much quicker as well. For us, sponsors faster, and it's just, oof, just had a little cheeky pop dent in the VM. People, it's time to paint these calipers to be in the blue, so that way it will match the interior and the front grille. So let's get it going.
Sanding down the other layer of paint, and now apply the first stage of primer. Now apply the final stage of primer. Now apply the first colour of the base coat, looking absolutely beautiful.
Quality on that, people. Don't go anywhere. ONIT Autos. I'm going to do the finishing touch to apply the M logo on there, and this job done. Let's go. Don't go anywhere.
And now the job is done. Look at that M logo applied, and it looks absolutely beautiful. The blue calipers matching the blue interior. The car is now on another level. Look at the GTS style Dragon tail lights, which animates from blue all the way to red and has a sequential indicator as well, with the carbon fiber M performance exhaust tips and a carbon fiber rear diffuser as well. The whole car is looking like an absolute art piece right now, and this is now my dream officially come true. now officially the end of the video. The BMW is now officially up for sale right now. The current bids of it is what, £1, people, £1. So hit the link in the description and drop a bid in if you are looking and are a serious buyer to buy this one-of-one special edition BMW that has been approved by BMW themselves. So without further ado, people, don't go anywhere. Hit that like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.